Why so serious about piano? Just learn for fun lah. What would the result be if you have this kind of attitude when learning the piano? Many parents think that you don't need to be so serious for enrichment classes. I let them learn the piano so that they know how to play a musical instrument. Drawing lessons are just for them to know how to appreciate art. And swimming lessons are for them to save themselves from drowning. There's no need for them to become a professional in whatever they learn. However, I believe that we should have the right attitude toward learning. It's important to take it seriously, go all out, and don't give up easily. So I don't expect my children to take the professional route. They just learn it casually. We don't have high expectations for them. This is what we always hear from parents. But my take is, since you choose to let your children learn the piano, there should be a right attitude. If you start learning, you must take it seriously. If not, it's better that you don't even start at all. Why do I say so? The truth is, even if you are serious about letting your child learn the piano, your child may not be able to become a professional pianist. If you just want your child to learn casually, your child may not achieve any meaningful learning at all. To add on, if your child has a laid-back attitude about learning in enrichment classes, do you think that your child will be serious in studying? Most parents would understand that the answer is probably no. Children are like blank sheets of paper. They are easily influenced by anything that parents say or do. So it's important to let them understand that learning is something that needs to be treated seriously. Otherwise, this slack attitude toward learning can affect their study as well. Attending enrichment classes is a waste of time. A small number of parents say that going to enrichment classes takes away time from studying, and they believe that these classes should be skipped when children are busy with schoolwork. After all, under the current education system, academic study is still the most important thing, and everything else should make way for that. When it comes to exam periods such as PSLE or O levels, right, many parents will cancel all the enrichment classes so that the children will have more time to study. But if we are honest with ourselves, the time freed up from not going to enrichment classes is not always used for studying. So as parents, it's important to look at the overall development of your child. As important as academic study is, it's also important to nurture some talents of interest outside of studying so that the child can experience and enjoy more things in life. I remember a saying from parents, "Child, I let you develop talents in different fields outside of studying because I want you to have more choices when you grow up and be able to shine when you need to showcase a talent. Even though you don't make a living from it, it will be surely bring you more joy in life." When giving up becomes a habit, it's also common to hear some parents say that, our child was attending an enrichment class, but he lost interest along the way. We don't want him to suffer, so we allow him to give up on it. This reflects the attitudes of a number of parents which fully respect their children's opinion and just allow them to give up when they are no longer interested. However, is this really the best for the child? I got to know a parent with 14-year-old daughter. The daughter complains that at this age she does not have any presentable skills or talents. And the parents is regretful not because she did not let her daughter pursue a talent, but because she did not encourage her to persevere. When her daughter was 5, she sent her for dance lesson. After going for lesson for more than a year, the daughter felt that it's very tiring as she was a bit plump. So she gave up. She took up violin lesson, which was in primary 1. After going for lesson for 2 years, she felt that it was boring, so she also gave up. So she also went for a swimming lesson for more than a year, felt that it was tiring, so she gave up. Likewise, she learned piano for about half a year before giving up, because the course was demanding and she was afraid that it would affect the study. Now she felt that beaten down when she saw her ex-classmate in the dance class doing well in dance. Those who were in the violin lesson have obtained performance grades and often participate in performance. And those who continue on in the piano class playing difficult pieces in school. She felt sad, and why is she doing worse than others? She also bemoaned why her mother did not push her to persevere when she wanted to give up. So the parents sadly admitted that perhaps she was too lenient with her child learning, which caused the daughter to not have a presentable skill. Worse still, it has allowed the child to give up easily and just quit when she faced trouble. This had a big impact on the way she lived and learned. Children are easily swayed by emotion and tend to want to quit when they no longer feel good about learning something. Hence, adults must be responsible in overseeing their learning. Parents always hope that their children can persevere and do well in enrichment classes, but this would not be an easy path as any grain would require hard work. Many children do not have a will that's strong enough to proceed, and they tend to want to give up easily. If children are allowed to give up when they want to, it will shape their mind negatively sharp that will also choose to escape when they face challenge. Any type of learning, no matter sport, music, or academic study, will require time and effort. There's no shortcut. So when children take up enrichment classes, it's a test on perseverance and time management. These are also skills that are essential in children's life and learning process. To sum up, adopting the right attitude toward all types of learning is very important, as it shifts the development of the child and indirectly affects how much a child can achieve in life. Thanks for watching the videos. I'm Mr. Mo. If you find the video helpful, please click on the like and subscribe button. See you next video. Bye bye.